Let's get straight to it. There's an invisible architect already building, and in some cases, running, huge parts of your business. The question is, do you even know it's there?
And I mean, right now, as we're speaking. This isn't science fiction. It's not some 5-year forecast. An invisible force is making critical decisions in your market.
And we're not talking about small stuff. We're talking about decisions that directly impact your market share, how your company actually operates day to day, and of course, your bottom line.
But here's the kicker. You can't see it. It's this silent partner working in the background, and odds are most of your own leadership team has no idea it even exists, let alone how it works.
Okay, so let's pull back the curtain. We're going to dive into AI's current operational footprint. And really, it's time to start thinking way beyond just chatbots. We're talking about the deep, core functions of your business. The truth is, AI is already the engine humming beneath so much of modern business. You see it everywhere, from the lightning-fast trading on stock markets to the product recommendations you get online. It's the silent force behind digital ads and even our core banking systems.
Let's just grab one of these as a perfect example: algorithmic trading. This isn't just a faster way to trade stock. No, this is a completely automated process. You've got AI systems sifting through these massive oceans of market data and making trades faster than a human being can literally blink. It's just not on a human scale anymore.
And just look at this comparison. It's not even a fair fight. A human trader thinks in seconds or minutes. An AI algorithm operates in milliseconds. A person can track, a dozen data streams? The AI is watching millions simultaneously. This isn't just a performance gap, it's a completely different reality. A competitor using this can react to a market shift before your team has even finished their morning coffee.
And let's be absolutely clear on this. This is not theory, this is not a what-if scenario. Right now, today, AI algorithms control a huge piece of the global markets. It's just a fundamental fact of how money moves now.
And you see the exact same story playing out in sales. This is the new sales funnel. And AI is watching every click, every hover, every pause. It's predicting what specific ad or product is going to make you buy. It serves it up instantly, and then it carefully, quietly guides you down a path to spend your money.
So all of this incredible power, it leads us right here to the double-edged sword. Because with all this unprecedented capability comes a whole new class of strategic risk that, frankly, most of us have never seen before.
I mean, the advantages are pretty obvious, right? This is why the tech has been adopted so fast. You get incredible speed, massive scale, pure objectivity with no emotion, and it's always optimizing for profit. It's an almost unbeatable edge.
But that edge comes with some serious blind spots. Opacity, that's the infamous black box problem. You can't ask your system why it just decided to dump your best performing stock. Then there's control. When it starts making bad calls, you might not be able to pull the plug fast enough. And finally, unpredictability. A tiny error can spiral into a system-wide meltdown before you even know what's happening.
So I'm just going to ask you straight up, what's your contingency plan? What happens when your main trading algorithm goes haywire, or your recommendation engine suddenly starts pushing all the wrong products and tanking sales? Do you have a plan?
Okay, this forces us to zoom out and look at the really big picture, the coming system shift. We're literally watching AI evolve from just another tool we use to a foundational layer that our businesses are being built on top of. You can see the whole trajectory right here. You know, in the past, AI was basically a fancy calculator for analysts. Today, as we've seen, it's a core driver of operations. In the very near future, you're going to see AIs managing entire business units, entire supply chains, and down the road, it becomes a foundational layer of the entire economy. Now, this doesn't mean humans are going away, not at all. What it does mean is that the entire playbook, the fundamental rules of business, of finance, of how you compete, all of it is being rewritten right under our feet. So what do? Well, that brings us to the final and most critical takeaway, the new leadership mandate. It's time to go from being a spectator to being an architect. Your job is no longer just to sign off on the budget for an AI project. Your job is to understand the strategic assumptions that are baked right into its code. It means you have to demand transparency. You have to build in kill switches. Being an architect means you design the rules, the governance, and the control around these incredibly powerful systems. You don't just sit back and watch them run. So we're going to leave you with this final thought. The question is no longer if an AI is running a key part of the market or a key part of your business. That ship has sailed. The real question, the one that will define who wins and who loses in this new era, is this: do you understand how it works before your competitor does?